we heading, guys?
We're going to Salem.
Where?
Salem.
Salem.
Alaska.
Yeah, we made it to Boston, and then we're going to Salem. I'm gonna try and capture this stuff, but this is very, very ugly out here. It's snowing. Hopefully it stops at 3 o'clock. Right now it's 12:45. I feel like we're in Salem, but it's giving us Christmas vibes.
Or really creepy vibes.
Creepy Christmas vibes. Today's day 2 in Salem. We're back. We stayed in Boston for the night. Jadi is a little wish today, and she's carrying around her sage. Don't ask me why. She's carrying that shit everywhere. How's you guys doing?
Warmer. A lot warmer.
The sun is out. Yesterday we did a tour and it was cold as shit. Yesterday, but we're not doing the tour. We're kind of just walking it out. Right, Jerry?
We're doing our own tour.
We're doing our own tour. That's right. We're just trying to find a place to eat. There's a lot of options. A lot of people out here enjoying Halloween.
Sisters, I found the virgin who lit the blood candle.
I love it. This is where Hocus Pocus was filmed. It's hot back here. Back down to the last day out here. We came to visit the Hammond Castle. Pretty cool experience. Stay tuned for some BTS and some actual footage of the castle.